In this video, we will be discussing the PUNEHOD R1390 DTF Printer with oven, an all-in-one solution for custom t-shirt printing. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the best price. The PUNEHOD R1390 is designed for both professional and small-scale businesses, offering a seamless printing experience on a variety of fabrics including t-shirts, jeans, hats, handbags, shoes, and more. One of its standout features is the advanced white ink circulation system, which not only prevents clogging caused by ink sediment but also includes automatic stirring and cleaning functions. This ensures consistent print quality without frequent maintenance interruptions. Another highlight is the printer's detachable reel design, capable of handling PET film rolls up to 100 meters in length. Along with a new cutting device, this feature allows for smoother, faster printing operations and improved workflow efficiency. Whether you're printing simple designs or full-color complex graphics, the R1390 offers high-quality output with speeds up to 20 pages per minute in both color and monochrome modes. The 13-inch print width also provides flexibility for larger designs without needing to split prints. The printer comes as a complete package, including the R1390 DTF printer and a 3 oven for proper heat curing, 100 meters of PET film, 6 250 milliliters bottles of DTF ink, 500 grams of DTF transfer powder, and RIP software for precise print management. Tutorials for installation and printing are also included, which is perfect for beginners or businesses looking to set up quickly without additional purchases. Connectivity is simple with USB support, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. While the printer is reliable and robust, it does require careful handling during setup due to its weight of 90 pounds. Additionally, some users may need to familiarize themselves with the RIP software to get the most out of the printer's capabilities. Finally, PUNEHOD offers strong after-sales support, with engineers ready to assist in installation and troubleshooting. This ensures that any issues can be resolved promptly, allowing you to focus on production and creativity. Overall, the PUNEHOD R1390 DTF printer with oven is a versatile, professional-grade solution for anyone serious about high-quality, multi-fabric custom printing, providing both efficiency and reliability in one package.